Today, we're checking out TextLink, an affordable SMS service that lets you send text for less than a penny using your own device. Want to cut costs on your SMS marketing? With TextLink's fixed-rate subscription, you can turn your own devices and SIM cards into SMS gateways in under an hour. And you can leverage a powerful suite of tools for promotions, APIs, and more, all without coding a thing. To start sending text at crazy lowest rates, head to TextLink's API dashboard. Here you'll find 3 powerful APIs: SMS API, Verification API, and Bulk SMS API. You can also use the built-in webhook feature. Just enter your inbound and outbound webhooks, then generate a secret key. If you're installing code snippets for JavaScript or Python, simply copy them and follow TextLink's easy setup instructions. If you upgrade to Tier 3, you'll get 25,000 messages every month for one ridiculously low purchase. And with no code campaigns, it'll be super easy to use them. To set up your campaign, simply pick the sender country and select your group. You can add a new group with all your contacts uploaded from a CSV or XLSX file. TextLink will automatically organize your data into clean columns, so you don't have to worry about standardizing anything. From there, you'll be able to personalize messages with custom parameters like recipient name, location, and industry. TextLink's chat app also lets you connect directly with users and customers right on the platform. You can manage one-on-one customer support, engage potential leads, and even use it as a dispatch communication tool. Keep the conversation going without draining your marketing budget. Click Buy Now to secure your lifetime access to TextLink today.